You have never actually seen a three-dimensional object.
Aha! Welcome to the limits of human perception, Neo. It is not magic. It is actually a failure of your brain's processing shortcuts. Your visual system is a master at turning flat, two-dimensional images from your retina into a three-dimensional world.
Right, because our eyes are just flat sensors. So how does a paradox like an impossible staircase break that system?
Explore the whole rabbit hole at How Deep app.